Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be replacing the lamp socket on this antique Waterford crystal lamp. As you can see, the light flickers as soon as I touch the on-off switch, and sometimes it doesn't even come on, so it's about time we replace the lamp socket. First thing I'm going to do is remove the lampshade and the bulb. Next, we're going to remove the lamp harp. To remove the harp, you basically have to give it a little squeeze and it will pop out. Now we're ready to remove the socket, but before we do that, make sure the lamp is not plugged in. As you can see, this lamp has a little nut at the end, at the bottom of the lamp, that holds all the pieces together. There is a metal pipe inside the lamp that carries the wire all the way through to the socket. Depending on the type of lamp you have, you will have to remove the casing around the socket. On this one, it's a push-turn casing. So basically push it in, turn it, and the top comes off. Also has a cardboard cover around the socket, which will keep and reuse, so don't lose that. And that gives you access to the socket. The socket has two wires coming into it. The neutral wire goes to the silver screw, and then the hot live wire goes to the gold or brass screw. As best practice, before I take the old socket off, I usually tag one of the wires. I'm just going to mark the gold screw and the wire going to it, so that when we replace the socket, I know which wire goes where. Just have to undo the screws to release the wires. This lamp came with a nice brass switch for the socket. You can just unscrew it from the socket and save that, because we're going to reuse it. Like I said before, this is an old antique lamp. As you can see, they've terminated the wires at each end, which is quite nice. They don't make lamps like this anymore. I'm going to replace the old socket with a new Leviton socket, which is a nice replacement. It is a 3-way lamp socket, and I did order it from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. That is called a underwriter's knot, and the reason for it is to reduce the strain on the wire connections to the socket. If you can't remember which wire goes to which screw on the socket, there's an easy way to figure it out. One of the wires will be ribbed or have grooves on it, and that is a neutral wire that goes to the silver screw, and the other wire will be smooth to the touch, and that is the hot live wire, and that goes to the gold or bronze screw. Now all we have to do is connect the wires to the appropriate screw. With the wires connected, you're ready to reassemble the lamp. Don't forget to put the cardboard cover over the socket first. And then the metal casing goes over the cardboard cover. Again, my casing is a push and twist, and that locks into place. And now we can replace the plastic switch that came with the new socket with the old brass switch. Put the harp back on the lamp. Since we installed a 3-way lamp socket, we will be using a 3-way bulb. Just going to give it a quick test before we put the lampshade on. This lampshade is a bit big for this lamp, so I'll have to go buy a new one. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and share the video. Thanks again, and we'll see you again soon.